Hello everyone, welcome. So I bought this fabric medium because I wanted to try to paint on fabrics. I love a challenge and I think they make me grow even if I succeed or not. So I painted this small pillowcase and I love the way it turned out. It looks so cute and kind of gives cottagecore vibes, and since spring is here, that will look even better on my bed now. So I wasn't sure if this would work though, because I have never used it before. So I went on Google and gathered some information about fabric mediums and how to use them. I tried to follow them as much as I could. So the first step is to wash your fabric, which of course I skipped because I was too excited to see if this works or not. I was really hoping that this won't affect the final result that much, and yeah. The second step is to mix your acrylic colors with the fabric medium, 1 part acrylics, 2 parts medium. I tried to stick to these numbers, but as I was painting I got so deep into the whole process that I wasn't paying as much attention to mixing them as I used to at the beginning. I could say I've gotten used to how much medium to add to my colors, and it got more fun along the way. Step 3 is of course to start painting. I chose this cottagecore kind of design, 3 oranges on a branch and some small flowers, but of course I ended up adding an extra orange at the bottom because there was too much unpainted space on my pillowcase. It felt like something was missing. And the next step would be to let it dry and iron the design. So you should let it dry for 24 hours and fully dry it for another 3-4 days. Need I say that I did not do it exactly like that? So I started painting the pillowcase around 5 o'clock one day, finished it in like 2 hours or so, let it dry the whole night, ironed it the next morning, which of course I forgot to record my bed, and let it dry for another day. Which brings me to the last step: wash the fabric. This was the part I was nervously waiting for. I wasn't sure if the medium actually worked because, to be honest, on the bottle here they don't mention that it can be used like I just did. It mentions other techniques, but not this one. So let's wash this and see how it goes. I'll hand wash it because, you know, hand painted, hand wash it. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. I cannot say for sure if this will come off or not. Is this peeling off? I cannot say for sure. I think this will do. I mean, it wasn't dirty or anything, so I won't overdo it. I think it's okay. I think I'm not sure. Let me show you. I don't think it will come off. I'm not sure. Maybe in here just a little bit. I'm not sure. Maybe that's how it was. So yeah, I think it's okay. I think it is. Yeah.